I'm feeling mighty lonesome. Haven't slept a wink. I walk the floor and watch the door. In between I drink black coffee. Love's a hand-me-down brew. I'll never know a Sunday in this weekday room. I'm talking to the shadow. 1 o'clock till 4. And Lord, how slow the moments go. And all I do is pour black coffee. Since the blues caught my eye, I'm hanging out on Monday. My Sunday dreams to dry. No man is born to come and love him, and a woman's born to weep and fret, to stay at home and tend her oven and down her past regrets in coffee and cigarettes. I'm moaning all the morning, moaning all the night, and in between it's nicotine and not much hard to fight. Black coffee, feeling low as the ground. It's driving me crazy, this waiting for my baby till he come around. Talking to the shadow. 1 o'clock till 4. And Lord, how slow the moments go. And all I do is pour black coffee. Since the blues caught my eye,